Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing off our discussion with the questions pertaining to the test of mathematics, and the question that we'll be seeing in this video is pertaining to geometry, particularly triangles and their circumcenters and orthocenters. So with that being said, what we'll be doing is basically we'll trying to identify the kind of question that have been asked in this kind of examination and what our ideal approach should be as far as solving these questions are concerned. So with all that said, let's take a look at the question. Suppose the circumcenter of a triangle ABC lies on BC, then the orthocenter of the triangle is a point A, is at point A, the incenter of the triangle, the midpoint of the line segment joining AB and BC, AC, and finally the centroid of the triangle. Okay, let's take a look. So here it said that the circumcenter of the triangle lies at BC. So let me do something. Basically, that we know for a right angle triangle, suppose this is my right angle triangle, uh, BC, right? So let me make this BC. C. Okay. The circumcircle, the diameter of the circumcircle always lies on the hypotenuse. So basically this is BC will be the diameter and the circle would be something like this. Okay, this is 90 degree. So the circumcenter would be lying somewhere around this point. Say this is O, which is the midpoint of BC as well. Okay, so let me just write down this point for a triangle. Hypotenuse is always the diameter for the circumcircle. Okay, now if we talk about the orthocenter, so if we talk about the orthocenter is nothing but the point of intersection of perpendiculars from each side of the triangle. Okay, so that is exactly what the orthocenter would actually mean. So orthocenter or intersection of the perpendiculars. So here we can already know that as far as AB and AC are concerned, they are already perpendicular to each other. So the perpendicular intersection would simply be at point A. And also if we are supposed to draw the altitude of the triangle ABC, we can again draw it this way as well. Joining the midpoint, but this will be perpendicular again. So the orthocenter would actually be on the vertex opposite to the hypotenuse, and in this case the vertex A. So orthocenter will lie orthocenter on vertex A. Okay, so here option A is our answer. So this question, there was nothing mathematical about the question. It was all based on the concepts of triangle and right angle triangle in general. So these 2 points that we have mentioned over here, you should keep in mind and try to go through the video and understand both these points. This will come in handy while solving many different sums as well. So that's it. In case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So that's it. I'm signing off. Thank you so much.